Today, I will show you how to change the PWM frequency on the MKS DLC32 controller board. The $28 parameter on the MKS DLC32 is used to set the PWM frequency. By default, this frequency is set to 1920 Hz. However, be careful, not all manufacturer firmware versions have this parameter enabled. My board is running the following firmware. Board version, DLC32 V003 firmware, DLC32 10C. My board uses the original manufacturer firmware with local Wi-Fi. To connect, I join the board's Wi-Fi network from my PC, select MKS DLC, wait for the WebUI to load, and make sure I'm in the control menu. In my firmware, there is no PWM percentage control like 50%. I only have open light and close light, so I will send manual commands to the board. At the bottom of the WebUI page, I type $28. Normally, the board responds with 1920, which is the default PWM frequency. Now we connect an oscilloscope to the PWM output pins to observe the signal. Next, we send the command M03 S500. On the oscilloscope, we can see a square wave at 1920 Hz with an amplitude of 3.3 volts. Now let's change the PWM frequency to 20 kHz. We type $28 equals 2000 and press enter. After that, we disconnect the power from the board, then power it back on. Once the board is powered again, we reconnect through Wi-Fi and wait for the WebUI to load. At the bottom of the page, we once again send the command M03 S500. Now, when we check the oscilloscope, we can see that the PWM signal is a square wave at 20 kHz. This is how you can modify the PWM frequency on the MKS DLC32 using parameter $28. If this video was useful, leave a like and a comment. Thank you for watching.